Most students think successful people are special, born with talent, gifted with intelligence, naturally disciplined. But the truth is simpler. Successful students don't think like you. They don't study harder. They study smarter. They don't have more time. They use it differently. They don't have superpowers, just better habits. And once you understand their mindset, you'll stop holding yourself back. They don't wait to feel ready. Average students wait for motivation. Successful students don't. They know motivation is temporary, unreliable, emotional. You think, I'll study when I feel fresh. They think, I'll study because it needs to be done. Your feelings decide your day. Their decisions decide their future. Successful students treat motivation like weather. If it's nice, great. If it's not, they still show up. That's why they move forward. While you wait for the perfect mood, they protect their time ruthlessly. You think you have time. They know they don't. You say, I'll start in 10 minutes. Those 10 minutes become 1 hour. That hour becomes, I'll do it tomorrow. They don't let time slip quietly. They use timers, routines, and fixed hours. They treat every hour like currency because they know time wasted is never just time, it's opportunity. Successful students are not faster. They're just less distracted. They remove distractions instead of fighting them. You try to fight distractions, they eliminate them. You keep your phone next to you and pray for self-control. They keep it in another room. You try to multitask. They do one thing at a time. You open 10 tabs. They open one notebook. You hope you can resist temptation. They make sure temptation is out of reach. That's why they focus. While you blame low concentration, they show up on bad days, not just good days. Anyone can study on a good day. Almost nobody can study on a bad one. Successful students built a habit. Do the work, especially on the days you don't want to. Bad day, they show up. Tired, they show up. Not in the mood. Still they show up. This is the mindset difference. You stop when it's uncomfortable. They start when it's uncomfortable. They know the hardest days build the strongest discipline. They accept slow progress, but never stop. You want fast improvement, instant results, immediate rewards. Successful students don't think like that. They know success is boring, repeating the same chapters, solving similar questions, revising again and again. They don't panic when progress is slow. They panic only when progress stops. While you chase shortcuts, they master the basics. And basics win every exam. They don't compare. They improve. You compare your grades with others. They compare their grades with yesterday. You say, he's smarter than me. She always scores better. They say, was I better today than last week? Your mind is competition. Their mind is growth. And here's the funny part. People who don't compare end up beating everyone because their only opponent is their past self. They think long-term when others think short-term. Average students think about tomorrow's test. Successful students think about next year's life. They're not studying for marks. They're studying for skills, for confidence, for opportunities, for a future where they don't have to struggle. You see hard work as pain. They see hard work as freedom. You see studying as pressure. They see studying as investment. That small shift in thinking changes everything. The mindset that changes everything. Here's the truth you didn't want to hear. You can think like a successful student starting today. It's not about talent. It's not about luck. It's not about being naturally hardworking. It's about mindset. The mindset that says, I'll do it even when I don't feel like it. I'll protect my time like my future depends on it. I'll grow a little every day. I'll remove distractions instead of blaming them. I'll stay consistent even when nobody sees it. Successful students aren't special. They're focused. They're consistent. They're disciplined. And now, you know exactly how they think. The question is simple. Will you keep thinking like everyone else or start thinking like someone who actually wants to succeed?